Hi, welcome to Managersolutions. Today we're going to look at tutorials. The tutorials that we'll look at specifically are the practice development program. Within practice development we have broken up the tutorials into business units that will make sense to you as you walk through them. The first one is leadership, where we look at leadership business analysis. We teach people how to build their primary aim. We help people to create their strategic objectives. Then we look at people's company stories and teach them how to build a company story. We then teach people how to build key performance indicators. We then look at managing your people and leading your people. To give you an example of how this works, I'll just click on one particular component. Now this is called leadership key performance indicators, and when you go into KPIs we give you a summary of what key performance indicators are, and then we give you examples of measurable and non-measurable personal and business key performance indicators that you can read, and what we then recommend you do is build your own measurable key performance indicators for your business, and we also teach you how to build your non-measurable key performance indicators for your practice. We also provide you with an overview of how to identify and define the morale or the climate within your business, and we provide a questionnaire that allows you to gauge where everyone's up to within your organization. To give you an idea of how this works, if we wanted to look at, say, the example of personal and business performance indicators, all you do is click on the tab and it will bring up the task name, which is read the examples of measurable personal and business key performance indicators. So let's have a look at measurable financial planning, key strategic indicators. This is a very comprehensive spreadsheet that will allow financial planners to work through how they should build their measurable key performance indicators. Down the bottom there is financial planning data sheets, strategic alliance partner data sheets. It teaches them how to build product market grids, and it explains to them using examples of lawyers and real estate agents how you can build a product market grid. It then provides them with an overview and a template of the financial planning profit and loss in terms of building your forecasts and what they might look like, and that integrates into a strategic alliance partner management report. It provides them with key strategic indicators, and it goes on to then look at, based on the budgets and their variables, what the human resource requirements are. So that's an example of one document within the tutorials. When that task is completed, simply click on the task and two things happen. One, the task goes to being completed, but the other thing that happens is that over here under leadership you can see a little green line, and as you progress through all of the different modules or the learning activities within leadership, that line progresses across until the whole of leadership is coloured green, which means that you've finished the leadership education and training process. In management we look at learning how to manage, how to build your organisational charts, how to build position agreements, business and employee development processes and practices, how to actually manage your people using priority meetings, how to build good working relationships, and recruitment. Marketing covers defining your customer analysis, building a unique selling proposition and a positioning strategy, how your positioning strategy should work, how to build marketing material, which is worth having a quick look at, because you will see that it covers everything from building your shape and colour grids for particular target markets. We provide you with a template for how to use that. We give you examples of business cards, brochures, financial planning processes, sales brochures, presentation materials, letterheads, website stills. We even provide you with examples of how to build your own pricing policies. So the content within marketing is comprehensive and certainly worth reading. as you can see, when it comes to building your marketing strategy, we actually provide you with a marketing strategy worksheet, and we teach you how to build your entire marketing strategy. The next section is client fulfillment. Within client fulfillment, we teach you how to build your products and services into commodities that can be produced time and time again in a reliable capacity. So from a compliance perspective and a performance perspective, you're always providing to your customers what it is that they really need, and you're doing it consistently and reliably in line with your policy and procedure. Lead conversion is about learning how to get people to say yes to using your product. Lead generation, we understand, but we take people through a structured process identification, channel selection, cost coverage, strategy, and then building a message to communicate and sell a product. And then finally money, which is all about how to make your business work properly. I know that most people that we deal with are in financial services, but there's a difference between being a financial planner and knowing how to run a business. So this is all about how to run your business.